years ago, and we had to stop the match because they were looking for somewhere.
Look on this side, Daniel, look.
Look at that.
Look at that.
God, good grief, they don't want us getting close, do they?
No.
Trying to find where the...
Queen's in the middle of that lot.
Yeah.
God, I wish I had my proper camera here.
This is only a little tiny one, but you can use this if you like.
This is alright, just hasn't got the detail of my Sony. Can't believe that, look at that.
I know, it's amazing, isn't it? I suddenly thought, where have they gone? I looked in the tree.
Hanging up there, look, like that.
Mm. I was just going to say, I'll ring Juliet on my telephone, but I'm not on my telephone, I'm on my camera. It was just, I closed the windows, and I thought, oh, there's some more around you, Daniel, watch out, don't get stung.
No.
But there were just hundreds all of a sudden, so I just wondered if you might have disturbed them, but...
No, I haven't been over here.
No, but they came from that direction. But of course they could have come from anywhere, couldn't they?
I'm just hoping that this camera's picking it up. There it is. It's amazing what you see when you're on a gardening job.
I was playing in a cricket match in the infield and we had to stop the match.
God.
And they eventually nested in a tree like that on the boundary.
It's amazing really, isn't it?
It certainly is. It's only the second time in my life that I've seen it.
If I wasn't such a wuss, I'd get right up there and yeah, getting a few warning dive bombs from them.
Yeah.
Gonna find a bee man.
Yeah.
Some bees are swarming. Sorry if the brightness is not so good, haven't got my camera. But you can probably just about see just the sheer volume of bees there are up there. They were a bit angry a moment ago, but managed to they've calmed down a bit. Getting a few dive bombs still, but still not so bad. It probably looks more like just a blur to you at the moment, but if I see that there, look, you can see them. I am obviously cautious of getting too close. Yeah, too close. They don't want me too close. They're happy with me being here, but they don't want me too close. See them? Very dark, unfortunately, because of the angle of where I am. There's someone out there saying to me, if you just do this with your camera, you'll get a better image. But you can just see the sheer, there must be over 1,000 little bees up there. There you go. If I go a bit closer, zoom. They're up there in this pyracantha bush, which has got a beautiful rose growing in it. Protecting the queen. Trying to get, whoop, dive bomb there. Trying to get just a better picture on the camera. Whoop, another little dive bomb. See them all flying around here. I wonder if this angle's better. If I put my hand here, will that help? Oh. There you go. See it? That's better angle, isn't it? There you go. Oh, it's gone again. It's all to do with the position of the sun. I wonder if I can come under here. It's amazing how they cling on like that. It's amazing how they cling on like that, isn't it? Whoop, little dive bomb.